My dad's in the car. Daddy, it's home. Daddy is home.
Brum, brum.
Daddy, a passman.
Sebastian, what does the piggy say?
Oink.
And are you a piggy?
Yeah.
What else are you?
Ka-do-do-do.
What are you?
I'm a rooster.
You're a rooster. What else are you?
Oh, I'm a bear. Now I'm a cat. Hey, I'm a hoodie. Oh, what? I'm a bear. Ka-do-do-do. I'm a rooster. Animals.
Animals.
Ka-do-do-do. Hoodie. Hey. Ka-do-do-do. Oh, boy.
What else? What about a lion?
4. I'm a lion. Oh, I'm a bear.
What about a horse?
Hey, I'm a horse.
And a pig?
Oh, I'm a bitch. Ka-do-do-do. I'm a water.
Bye-bye.
No, I can't have a car.
Why not?
I can't run up.
Are you out of gas?
Yeah.
Better fix it.
Okay.
All fixed? Okay, go for a drive.
Okay, Dad.
What are you driving?
The Ruby.
A Ferrari? What else?
That is a Ruby.
What does Daddy drive?
The Ruby.
No. What does Daddy drive?
Mitsubishi.
Mitsubishi.
This is a wave. This is a movie. This is a movie. This is a movie. This is a movie. This is a movie.
Is that Daddy's Ferrari?
Yeah. I did it fast. I did it fast.
You drive it fast?
I pass.
Good job.